How to hide photos on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can hide photos on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide photos on Facebook, which means on your own profile, so maybe you don't want to other people to let know that you viewed and posted a specific photo, right? For that I'll just come to my profile page and then I'll scroll down. So basically this photo right over here, everyone else can actually see them, and if I want to hide it from the general public or somebody, I'll tap on the three dots here. Then I'll go to the option called edit privacy. Once I go to edit privacy, I can choose to only show this to my friends, which means public will not be able to view it, or I can only choose this to some of my friends except a few specific friends. So if you want to hide from someone, you have to choose accept those people over here, or else what you could do is come back and select only me if you want to select for only yourself, or you can only choose specific friends. So if you want to completely hide it from everybody, you can set it to only me and then just save it and then come back. In this case I'll just leave it at public, because if you want to set this to only me, you can go ahead and absolutely do that. And this is how you can hide likes on Facebook or your photos as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.